In today's environmentally conscious world, sustainable practices are becoming increasingly important, even in the realm of lawn care. Homeowners are seeking eco-friendly alternatives to traditional lawn maintenance methods that minimize environmental impact while still producing healthy and vibrant lawns. From water conservation to natural fertilization, there are numerous sustainable lawn care solutions available. Let's explore some green approaches to lawn maintenance that promote sustainability without compromising on the beauty of your outdoor space. Water conservation is a critical aspect of sustainable lawn care, especially in regions prone to drought and water scarcity. Efficient irrigation systems like smart sprinkler systems can adjust watering schedules based on weather conditions and soil moisture levels. Additionally, using drip irrigation systems can deliver water directly to the root zone of plants, minimizing water waste through evaporation and runoff. Moreover, rainwater harvesting is another effective strategy. Installing rain barrels can collect rainwater from gutters and downspouts for later use in watering your lawn and garden. Also, choosing permeable paving materials for driveways and walkways allows rainwater to infiltrate the soil instead of running off into storm drains. Using natural fertilizers reduces the reliance on synthetic chemicals and promotes soil health and biodiversity. Starting a compost bin or pile in your backyard helps recycle organic kitchen waste, yard clippings, and leaves into nutrient-rich compost for your lawn. Additionally, brewing compost tea by steeping compost in water creates a liquid fertilizer that can be applied to your lawn with a sprayer or watering can. Furthermore, choosing organic fertilizers made from plant-based materials such as alfalfa meal, bone meal, and seaweed extract provides slow-release nutrients to your lawn without the risk of chemical runoff. Planting nitrogen-fixing cover crops like clover or vetch in bare spots or as an alternative to traditional lawn grasses naturally enriches the soil and reduces the need for fertilization. Integrated pest management techniques prioritize prevention and the use of natural predators over chemical pesticides. For instance, you can release ladybugs into your garden to feed on aphids, mealybugs, and other harmful pests that can damage your lawn. Attracting praying mantises to your garden as natural predators of insects like grasshoppers and caterpillars is another effective strategy. Additionally, using neem oil, derived from the seeds of the neem tree, as a natural insect repellent can help control pests like aphids, whiteflies, and beetles on your lawn and garden plants. Neem oil is safe for beneficial insects, birds, and mammals, making it an eco-friendly alternative to chemical pesticides. Consider replacing traditional grass lawns with low-maintenance alternatives that require less water, fertilizer, and mowing. Choosing native grass species that are adapted to your region's climate can significantly reduce the need for watering and maintenance once established. These grasses also support local wildlife by providing habitat and food sources for birds, butterflies, and other pollinators. Alternatively, planting creeping thyme as a fragrant and drought-tolerant ground cover requires little to no mowing and attracts pollinators with its tiny pink flowers. Growing sedum, also known as stonecrop, in sunny areas of your lawn offers a low-growing and drought-resistant alternative to grass. Opting for eco-friendly lawn care equipment reduces carbon emissions and minimizes noise pollution. Using battery-powered electric lawnmowers instead of gas-powered models can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions and noise levels while mowing. For small to medium-sized lawns where access to a power source is readily available, consider corded electric mowers. Additionally, try using a manual reel mower for a quiet and emissions-free mowing experience that also provides a workout. Using hand tools like pruning shears, weeders, and hand cultivators for small-scale lawn and garden maintenance tasks can further reduce reliance on motorized equipment. Implementing sustainable lawn care solutions not only benefits the environment, but also promotes a healthier and more resilient lawn. From water conservation and natural fertilization to integrated pest management and low-maintenance lawn alternatives, there are numerous ways to adopt eco-friendly practices in your lawn care routine. By prioritizing sustainability, you can create a beautiful outdoor space that enhances the biodiversity of your ecosystem and contributes to a healthier planet for future generations.